Is it working? Alright. So now, next thing I was going to do is make these coins. I was working on a coin model earlier. So let me go open it. I was also working on a pig model, but I didn't save it. I was sculpting it and then it was turning out horribly. Why is the windowing different? Oh no. So I had rendered out like a low poly and then rendered the normals and occlusion, ambient occlusion map to it. But then I reverted and deleted it. So let me redo that. Mesh cylinder. Yeah, 32 is okay. Let me get back into this. Whoops. No, I don't want to grab it. How do I use computer? There we go. Let me get rid of that shader editor. Oops. Y. Y is the axis I want. And Alt A. Oops. No. Where's N? I want to go to edit. Apply. Where's the apply scale and shit? Apply transform. Oh, it's Control A. There. So now I can edit mode. Actually, what I was doing earlier, let me hide that. Go back into this guy. I made some ridges, so let me re-add my ridges. Edge mode, please. Checkered, deselect. And then I don't want any of these side edges selected. What is that? I don't want that. Here. No. Alright, I'll just have to go select edge ring. Checker deselect. To get every other one. Is that what I want to do? I don't remember. Bevel. I kind of like, I want to carve a little recess out of every one of them, so I don't need to check or deselect. Actually, I think I know what I want to do. It's literally just inset. Individual. There we go. Depth. There we go. Now I have these ridges. Now what I want to do, let me see, how does that look? That looks okay. I kind of would like it if I could get these, like, the cuts to go down a little bit the side, but I don't know how to do it. I'm too lazy to figure that out. So I've got these ridges on there. That'll be fine. Let me Alt H, get my low poly cylinder. Where would I scale it? There we go. It sort of matches the profile of the coin. Smooth, please. All right. Oops. I want to do unwrap U. Cylindrical projection. Can I see my UV coordinates? There we go. Oh, that looks like ass. Polar ZY. I'm not doing anything. View on poles, polar ZY. That doesn't work. Align to object. Ooh, that looks a lot better. Clip to bounds. Not clip. Scale to bounds. There we go. I'm not sure. That's probably a really shitty UV map. I'll probably get a lot of distortion in the normals. Maybe I should just do smart UV unwrap. Yeah. Inefficient use of space. Let me just click L. And just overlap these guys. There. Probably as good as I'm going to be able to get it. Now I want to make a new image. Or do I want to go? I want to go to shader editor. And in the mesh materials. Where is it? There it is. New. I want to get that out of the way. Add texture, image texture. New name, coin normals. 1024, sure. Color space, linear, non-color. So now I have an image. Image editor. Image viewer. Image editor. Coin normals. There we go. So now I can go selected, or yeah, selected to active. Go into my render engine cycles. Bake. Not a multi-res object. Selected to active. That's what I want. Output. Where is it gonna? Where do I specify what kind I'm doing right now? Bake type. Here we go. Normal. Space. I think I want tangent. Bake. 0%. Oh boy. What the fuck? Oh, is it because of, that looks ugly as fuck. Oh, it's because I overlapped these two guys. I might have to redo that. Yeah, let me go back to my UVs. I don't think that's gonna work. I'll just leave it default, even though it's wasting a bunch of space. Too lazy. That looks like ass. Maybe it's object space. Nope. Maybe I need sampling. There was something about a cage. Let me see. Maybe I just need to make this mesh bigger. So it's an Alt S. There we go. To scale on normals. Bake. That looks so much better. All right. So now I have that image. Oops. No. Now I have this image. I want to map that normal map onto vector. And then stick that into normals. And then I should be able to see it if I hide the high res. There we go. I don't think it worked. Type normal. Is that what I want? That looks like shit. Why does it look like shit? There. That's not it. Yeah, that's kind of, yeah. Type point texture. Vector normal. Why does it look like ass? Type normal. I don't think this is going to show me my normal map, though. Maybe that's what I needed. Shade smooth. Why does it still look like shit? Linear. Color space, non-color. What happens if I just drag it straight in? Still looks like ass. I had it looking better a while ago. I can't remember what I did. What the hell even is this? I don't know what that does. It looks like it just goes from color to vector here, but I'm not sure why it looks weak. Why is it gross and shiny? Specular is 0. Ah, there we go. So, yeah. Maybe I do want the mapping back. It looks like it's inverse of what I want. Let me put a point light in here. Light. Point. Render. Light properties. Power. Lots of power. Yeah, it is the opposite. See, I'm getting the glint down here. It's probably just because that shape protruded beyond the bounds of my low res. I don't know if there's anything I can do about that. Anyway, delete light. Now I want another one. Texture, image texture, new, coin ambient occlusion, linear, I think linear. And then I want to go back to make this visible. Render ambient occlusion selected to active. There's the cage. Anyway, bake. That looks like shit. So I probably do want to do a cage. 1 meter or not. Maybe like 12 centimeters. There we go. Maybe I should redo the normals that way too. Anyway, color, I want to mix. Mix with a color. I want the color to be a goldenish. Oops, come on. Result into, where is base color? There it is. That didn't really work very well. Let me go ahead and hide high res again. Oh, factor. There we go. So now I want to go back into the normals. I want to go bake normals. Cage. Yeah, let's try that with a cage. Well, no valid selected objects. Oh, okay. Turn this back on. With this selected, cage, bake. Much better. Did I set the high res to be... Yeah, I did. Shade smooth. And this is the one I want to export. Metallic roughness. Yeah, a little down. Color could be a little darker. I don't know what specular tint is supposed to be. I just want it to look like gold. There we go. Kind of reddish. All right, so now I should be able to export this. Export. GLTF. This thing really takes over my whole screen, huh? Coin model GLB. I did have one that I exported earlier, but since I just redid it, I'm going to go ahead and redo it. Export. Oh, let me show you the options. Export. Include limited to selected objects. Transform Y up. Data material export. Images automatic. PBR extensions. What does this do? PBR specular instead of blended pins. Maybe I want that. Because I think Godot takes in the regular GLTF PBR specular. So let me try that. So now Godot imported that. Cache money. Let me get rid of this mesh. Delete. Now it's under actors, cache money, GLB, coin model GLB. I did save out this mesh, but that's from a previous run. So let me drop this in as tiny. Transform, come back home. There we go. Now it's big. Now what I need to do is, actually I want to get rid of these guys. Yeah. Delete. Coin model. Let me go into albedo and grab a reddish, goldenish orangey gold looking ass color. There. So that looks like gold. I mean, it's picking up a lot of blue from this crappy skybox. I should fix the lighting. Anyway, coin model. Let me shrink it down. Actually, when I redo the shape, I want to make this get out of here. Sphere shape. Save that. So that's my new coin. How does it look in the world? Looks pretty good. So let me run this. And we got little coins. We can pick them up. We get money. Are they a little small? I don't know. I don't think they're small. All right. The other thing I made off screen was this little hand PNG. For when you hover over an interactable item, you get a little hand popped up. So let me add that to the HUD now. Let me see. I need a texture rect. Texture rect. Because that's a control item, I can make a layout be full rect, and in the texture expand, not the expand, in the texture stretch mode, where's the stretch? I had it. Keep centered, there we go. And the texture I want is the hand PNG. Boom. So now this pops up. And then I also want, in the canvas item visibility modulate, turn down the alpha to half. Save that. See how it looks in game. So now I have a hand. But I can't move because it's eating my mouse inputs. Mouse, ignore, save. And then I want to turn it, rename it to grabby hand. Make it a unique name. And turn it off. So then I also have a source that I wrote for this. So let me actually, I made this helper method to set the cash money so that I would use this method instead of, you know, in the actor player on score. I'm grabbing that from the HUD, just reaching in and grabbing it and setting it. So instead of doing that, I want to use this set cash money method because that lets the HUD scene be responsible for its own objects. So let me go use that. I need to get the HUD first of all. Let me go on ready get head camera HUD private HUD. And then I want to do HUD.set cash money score. And then I need to make sure I remember to actually put the HUD script onto the HUD scene. And all this has is it gets the grabby hand texture rect. And then when I set cash money, it will update the text score. And then I've got show hand and I've got hide hand. So let me also add, I'm going to go to format my document. What do you want? Remove unnecessary. Okay, cool. In my physics process, I want to check. Let me do. I want to check whether my interact array is hitting anything, and then if it is, I want to show the hand, and if not, I want to hide the hand. So I'm going to do if interact array dot is colliding, and interact array dot get collider is interactable. Then HUD show hand. Else HUD hide hand. build, test. So now when I go over here, I should see my hand. There we go. Cool. And I can pick them up. And now, actually I want to section this bit off into its own method. So let me do handle revealing hand. Private void handle revealing hand. There. I want to move that below the override. All right. So now that I've got that working, next thing I want to do is I want to make a pig model. Let me do new. Don't save. I'm going to delete that. I was trying to sculpt a pig, but that did not work out at all. So let me just do add a sphere. Mesh. UV sphere. Make a really low poly pig. $90. I don't want to be local. I want to be global. Move Z. Sphere. Let me rename this to body. I need 4 little leggies. Why don't I just duplicate this? Nah, I'll do cylinder legs, I guess. Mesh cylinder, give me cylinders. How about 8? Basically like a round Minecraft pig. Should I give it a cap of a sphere? Maybe I should. Oops. Dissolve face. Huh? Delete face. There we go. So now I want what we got? Grid fill. I want grid fill around this where the fuck is the grid fill? Grid, nope. Grid fill. Control F. Span 3, please. It's a shitty grid fill. Come on. I guess I'll just have to do this part manually. J. J. Z. Pull it up. There. Can you toggle all, please? Median point. Tiny itty bitty piggy legs. I can just eyeball it. I don't care about accuracy. Save pig. Let me go up. Actors, yes. Make a new folder, please. Where's the folder? Here it is. Pig. Piggly Wiggly. Steven. His name is Steven. Alright, now I can make the head. Not X. There we go. I want a cylinder. Cylinder. Yeah, good enough. What is 1/8 of a turn? Forty 45 over 2. There. How should I make pig ears look? Ordinary pig. Stupid. Okay, so they're kind of like... They just stick up. Just like a Dorito. Plain. How do I make it exclusive? I just want to see just the plain. How do I exclusive my... Shift H. Ah, there we go. J. X F. Shit. What? 1 X V. So now I got this little kite thing. Not Z. What should I do? Like multi-res? Subdivide. There. Control T. Or should I triangulate? How do I untriangulate? How How do I dissolve these non-quad? These freaking non-cubers. Dissolve. Edges. There we go. Proportional editing. Oh. Did I do it? Oops. I just want this one. All right. Modifier. Solidify. Thickness. And I want it to be smooth. Yeah. Dorito ear. Yeah. Really? Oh, I didn't apply the modifier. That's what. Turn off proportional editing. What the hell? There we go. What the fuck? No, I don't want everything selected. That's not gonna work. Oh, I know. Control A. All. And then scale X -1. Bam. No. Alt N. Normal. No. Normals. Recalculate. Maybe it's oh, maybe I don't have to because it's got the modifier. Nice. Here's my pig. I want to add little beady eyes. Mesh. Subdivisions 1. Icosphere. Maybe I do want to edit. And then like just delete half of these faces. Where's a good way to do half? There we go. There we go. Oops, median point. There. And he's got weird freakish eyeballs that you can't see from behind. Save, Steven. He doesn't have a tail. Well, he doesn't need one for now. And then I need to set up the legs. Leg, FR, front, left. What is this? Leg, rear, left. Leg, front, right. Leg, rear, right. Schnoz. Plain ear, left, ear right, sphere, head. Parent these to head. How do I fucking parent shit again? Damn it. Do I Alt P? No, maybe it's just P. Control P. Set parent to object to keep transform. It's worked. Alright, ear left, ear right, control head, P, no, control P. Object keep, alright. What a pain in the ass. Maybe I could do this, this, and this. There. There. That sets up my parenting. Oops. Let me just go ahead and export this guy. Include, modifiers. Data mesh, apply modifiers. No export material, because it doesn't have one. Well, I guess I don't need to mess up my defaults there, because it won't export any material since it doesn't have any. So let me go to Godot and see how it looks. Actually, let's save this. Close, please. Close. How do I close it? New 3D. Steven. Save actors. Piggly Wiggly. Steven.tsn. Where is it? Steven.glb. Transform. Where are you? Get back here, you son of a bitch. And then I want to scale it. There we go. And from what I remember, this dude needs to be like in the middle, because physics is fucked up. I need to change this to a kinematic. Shape. Collision shape. Shape. Let's give him a capsule shape. Oops, that didn't work. So let me go front. Front view. There we go. Side view. There. Good enough. God, I hate the floaty. How do I make it not floaty? Fuck. There's certainly an option, but I don't know where it is. I hit a key, I think, and then I made the view floaty. Super annoying. Anyway, save Steven. Let me plop some Stevens in here. See how they look. Can I run into them? Oh, they're too small. And I bounce off of them like crazy. So maybe I need to reset their scale. Yeah, they need to be like twice as big. And then the shape. Need to redo the shape. Alright, those are some decent sized Stevens. I feel like their shape is too big. Damn it. There we go. There. Now I can bump into them to the degree that I feel like I should be able to. Although now I feel like the model is too big. There we go. I think that's a decent size. Coins might need to be bigger. Or not. Who knows? Anyway, I will program some AI for Steven later and give him some basic flat shaded materials and animate his little leggies. But that'll be it for now.